Today I'm going to paint a picture of autumn. First you draw a straight line to divide the rock into 2/3 with a pencil. The upper part you mix yellow with gray to fill the autumn sky. The lower part you take light gray to paint. Use a pencil to draw outline of trees, the meadow, the house and the road. Then use olive green, light green, with a little yellow. Diluted with lots of water to create a light background like a watercolor effect. We start painting the meadow and trees. You increase or decrease the amount of color to create different shades as you like. Remember to wash the brush after each time you paint so that the colors don't get mixed up and wrong. Then use a little blue mixed with olive green and a little white to paint the house. If the house looks lonely, so you can add another house in the left corner of the rock, make sure you make it smaller than the house in the middle. Then you mix brown and a little yellow to add layers to create the right atmosphere, autumn of course. Using brush to blend the color, you don't want to see a lump of color on a tree, believe me. This time add brown and water for a darker shade. Use brown and black to paint over branches, trunks and roof of the house. Add another layer of black. Take it easy, there's no need to rush it. I paint white dots to create a flower garden. You can do this step later. Use a small brush or pen to draw lines. Remember to choose one that can draw on rough surfaces. Paint the main door brown and the windows white. Add red and white dots to create a flower garden. The scene should be a bit bright. Check again to correct any errors. Finally, let it dry and seal it.